have around 3 minutes until the exam starts. I'm kind of nervous, but mostly I just can't wait for it to be over. I will see you when it's done. I have a minute left before it starts. I'm at Nina's house because we're gonna go to Michael's and pick up the craft supplies that we need to make the magnets, and then I don't know if we're gonna get dinner at a restaurant or if we're just gonna get takeout and come back. I'm listening to the OST from When I Fly Towards You, and the way that drama was so good. Like, I think it's one of my favorite dramas of this year. The characters were so likable. I liked the whole friend group. It was really cute.
Hello. Paige. I haven't seen you in so long.
I haven't either, but it never feels like it's that long.
Because I'm gonna be texting you.
But let me put the directions. I haven't done it finished one. I think I read the first one. I think I also read the first one too. Like, peach juice. That's crazy. Sounds pretty good. Did it taste good? I want to see. You sipped it or went to see fries were good. So then we went use like any tool to do it. I mean, I don't think I was supposed to, but that's why it looks like this. That's where I accidentally poured matcha. I think I'll just finally throw these in the wash. I'm gonna reorganize this top shelf because the first time I put everything there after I moved out of my apartment, I just kind of threw everything wherever. Now every time I'm trying to get something, something else falls on top of me, so I'm just gonna try to fix this area on top. Oh, I'm reading this book. Well, when I say I'm reading this book, I'm only like 3 pages in. But so far, those 3 pages haven't been too bad. I just ended up sleeping once I began it. I'm gonna drink this and then go shower. I've finished most of the things I need to complete today, so I'm gonna go to the plant shop because these 2 pots have been empty for quite a while, so I'm gonna see if I can find anything that fits them. After I come back, I'll just finish up the rest of the things I have to do. I ended up going with a darker color of leaves. I really like the pattern on this one. I think it's so pretty. And this one is so full. Neha's gonna come over in a bit so we can finish painting our magnets. I'm just gonna go ahead and get a couple of things set up just so I know where everything is. We're gonna need paint brushes, this glaze, magnets. Oh, and this is super glue. I also got these really tiny magnets since some of our clay pieces were really small.
And then, so this is probably